Back Sweden to your Caribou Data Science channel, and welcome back to what's the magic number looking for here? 18 and 8 is 26. Hey, a big shout out to the 26 people who viewed this video yesterday. Of course, as we say here at the Caribou Data Science channel, one view equals one like. So we need to see we really need to get those likes up. So we need to see 16. If you have 16 views, you'd have 16 likes. Okay. Also, that means 16 subscriptions. We're currently at 321 subscriptions, 322. Our goal is 330 subscriptions by Sunday evening the 29th. Okay. As we always do, we need to remind ourselves to click on the share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter, copy and paste the link into an email or text message. We need to remind ourselves that Sweden only records COVID-19 data for Tuesdays to Friday. Okay, so instead they add Saturday, Sunday, Monday's numbers onto Tuesday's numbers, of course, which produces an artificial spike. So in our case, we're not really concerned with the daily numbers, deaths or cases. What we're concerned with is what the cases are doing. Are they trending upward or are they trending downward? So we're using a method called the Loess fitted curves to get through the volatility of those Tuesdays and get to the underlying trend pattern for the data. Okay, so just take a look here and you'll see exactly what I mean. So you see these spikes here? These spikes are the Tuesday numbers. Okay. What you see is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay. But the gap is the Saturday, Sunday, Monday dates. What you can see here is you can see that if you look at the rest of the weeks. Okay. You can see a trend upward in cases, as you can see a trend upward here. Okay. But the cases are still under maybe well, if this is 2,500, then this is about 1,320. So your cases you can see on average are still under. Well, again, we're not concerned with the numbers because of the spikes. But the important thing is you can see that there does appear to be a trend back up in cases on a daily basis. All right. This is the 28-day average. So each bar is the average for the previous 28 days. So for the 20-day period ending August the 8th, you were averaging 607 cases per day. Now, if we take a look at the deaths, look at this big declining pattern here, continuing all the way over to here. Okay, let's just zoom in a little bit. You can take a look. Look how low these deaths are. 4.4 deaths, 4.5 deaths over here, all the way back down from here all the way down to almost 0 deaths. What's interesting is you didn't really start your vaccine program until late in the game. Okay. Again, here is the 20-day average for monthly deaths, or for. So you can see for the 20-day period ending August the 8th, you were averaging 1.62 deaths per day. Pretty good numbers. And what about weekly numbers? You can see this 4 or 5 week increase in cases, but the thing to keep in mind is the vaccine will not keep you from getting COVID-19. It may reduce the chances that you will die from COVID-19, but it will not keep you from getting COVID-19. So keep that in mind. So that means even if cases continue up, deaths can also go up. But you can see here, nice big long declining pattern. The deaths are staying very low over here. This line here is 125. So right now your deaths are about 70 to 80 deaths per week at most. Okay. What about monthly cases? Well, you can see this 3 month here, June, July, and August are still looking very low, much lower than these numbers over here, the previous 6 months. What about this? Well, look how crazy low your deaths are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row, your COVID-19 deaths are going to decrease in Sweden. Okay, so that's the fantastic news for you folks today. The numbers are continuing to look good. And also for my YouTube fans, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click those like buttons. And don't forget to click on the share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. Thank you so much for your time today. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.